Hi everyone, my name is Askar. Today I'm going to take you to step by step how to set up Azure build and release pipeline for the Angular 8 application. At the end of this demo, you will learn how to set up DevOps environment, create, build and release pipeline in the Azure DevOps portal. Finally, enable the continuous integration and continuous delivery for your Angular application. So first we need a resource to deploy the demo application. So let's create a service app service in the Azure portal. So go to portal.azure.com. So let's create a app service. Click on add. So this will take you to the app creation page. Let's give the resource name. So let's say ng DevOps and give the our app service name ng DevOps. This will be the our URL. So let's select the region, selecting East Asia, and click on review and create. Seem to be there's error, so let's go back to here and let's select the runtime environment. So I'll select .NET Core 2.0. Now our deployment is completed. Let's go to our resource. Just click on this URL to see our app service ready. Yeah, our app service is ready now. Let's set up our DevOps project. To begin our demo, let's go to dev.azure.com. So once you visit this site, you will get the same page as you see here. So here you can create, you can start or you can start free trial. So my case, I have already created a account. Let's create a new project name. Let's name it DevOps NG. So my case, it is a private repository. Now select the create. So the project is now created. Go to repo section to get our remote repository URL. Click on repos. So now click the icon to copy this URL. Let's go back to our VS Code. This is a Angular default application which I created using Angular CLI command. Let's browse this site. So ng serve. Just go to this port number 2000. Okay, our application works now. So now let's push our code to the remote repository. Just copy and just paste it which you copied from the repo section. Okay, now everything is committed. Let's go to our file section. So you can see now all the changes are committed to the repository. So let's for the first thing, let's build our first pipeline. So click on new pipeline. So my case, I'm going to select classic editor. So select the classic editor. So first thing it will ask you where's the source code. So our case our source code in Azure repo git. So this is a repository and the master branch. Now select the continue. So here we can see the list of templates, but I'm gonna create my own template. So I'm gonna select empty job. So here we're gonna add a task. So let's add the npm task. So this first task is responsible to install our Angular CLI. So let's label it Angular CLI. So this command is installed. Let's add another task. So basically it is a npm task. Select npm, select add. So this task is responsible to build our Angular application. So let's label it ng ng build. So here the important thing is you have to select custom command. So for the custom command you can give your argument. So I am gonna give the argument run ng build dash dash prod production. So let's add another task to build our artifact. So select the public artifact and select on it. So here we have to determine where to publish our artifact. So it goes to Angular destination folder. Let's leave it as a drop artifact name. So just save and queue. So it will trigger a new queue. So now you can see here the agent is ready for the job. Now you can see here that the executing steps. So now everything is fine, everything is executed. Now go to our releases. Let's create a new release. Just click on new pipeline. So here we have to select our template. So I'm going to select Azure App Service deployment. So this would be the stage 1. Click on the task. So select your subscription. So first time it will ask you to authorize your account. Just click on authorize button. I'm giving my login email. Click next and sign in. Now select the app service which you created to deploy our demo application. So ng DevOps, this one. And here the important thing is you have to select the folder where is your artifact. Actually click on browse. Oops, we can see here something goes wrong. So close it, go to pipeline. Let's go to pipeline. Yeah, here we haven't selected our artifact. Just click on it. So let's select the source build, that is DevOps ngci. Click on it. Now click on the job. Let's browse it. Here we can see our artifact that is actually inside the drop folder. You select DevOps ng. Now save it and OK. So let's create the new release manually and say create it. So click on this new release to see the status. Here you can see the stage 1 queued. Just click on that progress link. Here you can see the executed steps and the time taken. Now agent is in progress. Everything is success. Go to our portal to get our URL. Just click on it. Yeah, here we can see that our website successfully published to the Azure App Service. So now next thing is to enable continuous integration and continuous. Let's configure continuous integration for our project so that it will be trigger auto build when our code committed to the our repository. Click on edit, select the trigger tab, check the enable continuous integration and save and queue. Click and save. So now let's trigger the continuous integration by changing our source code. So here I am adding a S2 tag, enable continuous integration. Let's commit the source code to the changes to the repository. I'll label it enable CI. Let's push the changes to the repo. Here we can see a new build is triggered after committing the source code. So you can see that there's a blue icon that indicate the new build in progress. Next we'll set up our continuous delivery for our project. Finally let's set up a continuous deployment for our demo project. So go to release section, click on edit, click on this small lightning icon, just make it enable, then save it. Here just go to the release section. Here you can see the new release has been triggered because of that we added one H2 tag and committed through the VS Code. So let's wait for some time. Now the release is success. So let's go to our website and refresh it. Here we can see our changes in the website. So I hope you found this video useful as you are in the first step Azure DevOps CI and CD. Again, thank you so much for joining with me, and have a nice day.